Do you want to earn a lot of money at any age without spending a lot of money? Well, you should do graphic designing. It's one of the most desired skills in today's market and the demand for it is insane. YouTubers, Instagram influencers, online businesses, everybody wants graphic designers. And today, I will teach you exactly how you can get clients and make upwards of $100,000 per year. Now, before we get started, I want to emphasize that this is not easy money. And in order to be successful, it requires a lot of time and effort. I mean, anybody can do this, even if you know nothing about graphic designing. You can learn for free from YouTube or even buy a cheap course from Coursera to learn the basics. But you need to commit to it in order to be successful. Alright, step 1. Build a portfolio. First of all, you need a digital presence. Make a TikTok, Instagram and a Facebook page, but most importantly, you need a website. You can create a WordPress website for free and host it for around $30 per year, and if you really don't know how to make a website, you can hire someone from Fiverr to get it done. Now if you haven't done any real work, you can start with some sample designs and then later expand your portfolio when you get real clients. But you need to look really professional, so if you have any designs that you are not satisfied with, make sure to remove them from your website. And if you have the time, make sure to post at least once a week on all 3 platforms so you can build up your brand. Step 2. Market your products. There are many ways to get clients, but what doesn't work is emailing YouTubers that you are a graphic designer and you provide services and to let you know if they need your services. My YouTube channel is not big at all, and even I get emails like this from at least 5 people per month, and honestly, I don't even bother replying. Now I'll teach you 2 ways to actually get clients, but if you have any other innovative methods, feel free to use them as well. Firstly, you can target a small business or a YouTuber and recreate some of their thumbnails and other graphics to make them better. Now you need to make them at least 2 times better. If you can't, just focus on another YouTuber or a business. Now when you're choosing a business or a YouTuber, make sure that they don't already have a graphic designer. You can easily figure this out by looking at their thumbnails and checking whether they're up to a standard. Now after you recreated the graphic, you can write them an email like this and send it. By the way, if you want this exact template, you can copy it from the description below. I know this is a lot of work, but this method will guarantee to get you some results. Moving on to the second method, you can build an audience around your brand and then market your product. This basically means that you can do entertaining and educational content on graphic designing through your social media channels. Stuff like recreating logos or recreating products like chocolates to be luxury car brands. These type of videos get a lot of views. And if you have the skills, you can do this easily. You can even begin advertising in Twitter by replying with your designs on a popular thread, and if it's funny or entertaining, you'll most likely get a lot of views, which is good for your brand awareness. Now once you do have a decent follower base, you can DM or email small businesses and tell them that you run a popular graphic design business and you would love to talk more. Now I know I said that randomly emailing a business won't work, but when you have a decent follower base, they most likely will take you seriously. Step 3. Building trust. Once you get your first client, make sure to do absolutely everything to make them happy. If they ask for revisions, you don't argue, you just deliver what they need. And if they say that your design is not up to their standard, make sure to offer a full refund. Stuff like this will really help you succeed and get more gigs from clients. And even after you receive the payment, make sure to answer their questions and make them feel that you are a professional. Step 4. Scaling the business. Once you start making decent money, you need to scale the business. If you were doing this part-time, you can now quit your job and do this full-time. But another important thing that you need to remember is that there will come a point where you cannot keep up with the customers and you are gonna need some help. And that is when you need to hire other people and grow your business. Many people get stuck at this step as they are afraid to hire other people, but it's not very hard. You can even outsource your work to a third world country and get it done by half the price. But if you are planning to scale up the business, it's best if you can hire people locally, at least until you have about 5 people working for you. And you also need to start spending money to run advertisements, as cold emailing may not be reliable once you start scaling. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you work hard enough, you can easily make a lot of money with this method and even start your own agency. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.